KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 105. Oh my God, did you Bible Verse of the Day? Proverbs 15:13 in King James Version. A merry heart maketh a cheerful countenance, but by sorrow of the heart the spirit is broken. Proverbs 15:13. Thanks be to God po. Proverbs 15:13 in Tokpisin version o in Papua New Guinea language, or Proverbs 15:13. Bel i amamas, imek impes i amamas. Tasol, bel i pilim bel heavy, i bruhim spirit, or Proverbs 15:13. And in Tagalog version, Kawikaan 15:13. Ang masayang puso ay nagpapasaya ng muka. Ngunit sa kapanglawan ng puso ay nababagbag ang diwa. Kawikaan 15:13. Salamat po sa Diyos.
I've come back this morning to where I first came alive. Here within this terminal where the buses arrive. I was a commuter on the 804.